News 9 brings you ground report from the vibrant Baltal base camp, where a wave of devotion marks the arrival of enthusiastic Amarnath Yatris. The langars here have been beautifully lit up, transforming the entire area into a glowing beacon of faith. These community-run kitchens are doing more than just feeding thousands. They are offering comfort, warmth and a sense of belonging to every pilgrim. Many langars have also organized special aartis and devotional music, creating an atmosphere filled with bhakti and peace, a spiritual pause for Yatris before their onward journey. The sheer number of pilgrims reaching Baltal defies security fears and confirm one message, loud and clear: faith is stronger than any kind of fear. Despite initial concerns that the Pahalgam Baisaran attack might impact the turnout this time around, Yatris have arrived in large numbers. Here's what the Yatris and langar organizers had to say about their spiritual experience and unwavering faith. All right, but let's try to understand the ground sentiment first with my colleague Mehraj joining us live on the broadcast from Baltal in Jammu. Mehraj, a very good morning to you. We just saw a couple of visuals coming in of the turnout. You tell us what's the ground sentiment at the moment, the kind of energy that you are picking up from there.
Well, Sakshi, we are at Dhumail, which is I think 3 kilometers far from Baltal base camp, and we can say that you can see clearly how enthusiastic Yatris are here and what is the number. I can say that clearly. We can see there is huge number of Yatris who are right now in queues at Dhumail and going towards the cave to get first darshans of Baba Barfani from here. We can see, and as my cameraman is showing you, the huge crowd of Yatris. As we can, as it was earlier guessed by a Pahalgam Baisaran attack, that this year there could be some effect on the number of Yatris, but as I am witnessing the number of Yatris and you can see as the queues here, we can say that these Yatris are clearly showing that the faith is more stronger than fear. We have some Yatris here. We will try them. Ma'am, आप कहाँ से आई हैं और कितना हर्ष और उल्लास है अभी यहाँ पे?
दिल्ली से आए हैं हम और मैं 4th टाइम आई हूँ इस बार दर्शन करने के लिए. इस बार भीड़ थोड़ी ज़्यादा है, बट भोलेनाथ की कृपा से बहुत अच्छे दर्शन होंगे सबको.
पहलगाम हमले के बाद आशंका जताई जा रही थी कि भीड़ कम होगी, लेकिन क्या लगता है कि आस्था आतंक से भारी हो रही है?
आप देखिए, भोलेनाथ जी की आस्था और कृपा है कि अटैक होने के बाद भी इतनी भीड़ है और दर्शन के लिए सारे लोग आए हुए हैं.
यस, वी हैव अनदर वन. मैम, आप कहाँ से हैं?
मैं भी दिल्ली से आई हूँ.
तो अभी क्या बताना चाहेंगी यहाँ पे जो भीड़ देख के आप क्या गेस कर रही हैं?
भीड़ वाइज दिस इज़ द 8th टाइम आई एम कमिंग. भीड़ वाइज इस बारी मैनेजमेंट बिल्कुल भी अच्छा नहीं है, एंड द रीज़न इज़ कि आगे की भी जिनकी रजिस्ट्रेशंस थी उन लोगों को भी अलाउ कर दिया इस बार RFID के थ्रू. सो दिस इज़ रॉन्ग. दिस शुड बी मेंटेन्ड. रेस्ट एवरीथिंग इज़ फाइन.
As Sakshi, you are clearly listening by these Yatris that they are saying that some facilities are good, but some facilities are not quite good. But the number of the Yatris which we are witnessing in ground are really huge, and we can say that really they are proving that faith is more stronger than fear.
Absolutely, Mehraj. Also, if you can tell us what exactly, are the security arrangements there on ground, specifically after the incident from Pahalgam Baisaran Valley? The security checks, the crowd management, what has been put in place?
I will request, Well, I will request my cameraman to show the security arrangements from here. You can see that whole area have been covered by security forces. You can see their bunkers and all that. Security adequate measures have been done. As security regarding Yatra was a challenge for security forces as well, and we can say that security forces are doing a quiet job, and this Amarnath Yatra is not only the specific job of Jammu and Kashmir police, but we can say that multiple tier security forces are deployed here, even Army, CRPF and ITBP, including SSB and many more. We can say that we have seen SDRF Jawan Jawans also deputed here, NDRF Jawans and mountain rescue teams also been deputed here, as the terrain remains tough. We are at Baltal, and you can see that track which is too much slopey from here, because from Baltal the distance to cave is very less than from Pahalgam route, so people prefer to come from here, and that is why we are seeing a huge crowd of devotees who are going to Amarnath cave to perform first darshans. And so we can say that arrangements on the ground are being done by LG government and Jammu and Kashmir government, we can say, but some yatris are seriously concerned about it, saying that arrangements could be more better than which we can be expected. Yeah, back to you, Sakshi.
Also, Mehraj, since we were talking about the route, you said that there are two routes to Baba Amarnath. This one is from Baltal, and it's quite a shorter one compared to the one from Pahalgam. If you could give us a bit of the sense about this particular route, also about the weather conditions over there. Is there any special kind of advisory for the pilgrims arriving there on the spot?
Well, Sakshi, if I say that this Baltal route track has been made wide, 12 feet wide, which in earlier years wasn't like this. The fencing which I am showing you, the railing, this has been made too much strong so that yatris take support of it. I am showing you the railing, that this is quite strong, which is we can say that facilities according to LG government have been upgraded and updated in coming years more. We can say that this route so far, and for so far as per weather is concerned, weather is too much favorable for yatra, but as per Met predictions do come, and officers here and administration here do allow yatra according to the administration and Met and weather changes. So we can say that so far yatra has been started today from this we can say from Kashmir division, while it was allowed from Jammu division yesterday. So you can see the huge rush of yatris going to Baltal, from Baltal to cave, and everyone is hoping and praising and wishing that Baba Barfani will call him again and he will give him darshan again.